Do you want to paint landscapes like these? How about learning the painting method that has 3 simple steps and guarantees good results every time? I'm conducting an online gouache painting workshop in which I'll teach the M3 method and we'll use watercolor or gouache as our medium. My name is Mandar Marathe and my artwork is in collections of individuals and companies in 8 different countries, and I've taught more than 11,000 students through my studio workshops and online art teaching. The M3 method of painting evolved from 8 years of my teaching art and simplifying the painting process. The secret number is 3 here. 3 steps which are composition, block-in and detail, and we use just 3 colors and 3 brushes. Isn't that simple? Let's come to gouache. It's very similar to watercolor but has more opacity. So we add white to the regular watercolors and achieve the gouache effect. This way we get realistic effects like oils or acrylics but with the convenience of watercolor. In this workshop we will learn the M3 method, practice the landscape basics, and we'll do a complete painting from start to finish. By the end of this workshop, you will master this method and will be able to paint any landscape confidently. Willingness to learn and to put in the required work are the only prerequisites to taking this workshop. You do not need any prior experience of painting to join us. So it does not matter if you are a complete beginner, a working professional, a homemaker, or an art student. I am sure this workshop will immensely improve your painting skills. This workshop will be held online, and so you will be able to take it from the comfort of your home. Plus, it does not need any expensive supplies. So book your seat now and see you at the workshop.